We begin this evening with news that some public transport operators in St. Catherine are reporting a decline in extortion. It turns out that the near 2-month-old state of public emergency in the St. Catherine North Police Division has proven beneficial. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
For years, taxi, bus owners and operators have complained bitterly of having to fork out big bucks to criminals operating in bus parks of the old capital of Spanish Town. President of the Jamaica Association of Transport Owners and Operators, Jatu, says the extortionists have all but vanished since the state of public emergency.
At almost every taxi stand, bus park, through Jamaica that I know of, extortionists rule the way to different degrees, but they are there, right? Now, since the SOE, the extortionists have disappeared. I'm quite sure they disappear in Portmore area. They are not in Spanish Town. I'm hearing from our contacts in Old Harbour and Bogwalk and Linstead that they have disappeared also.
As a result, some taxi and bus operators are reporting an improvement in their earnings.
Based on those that I have spoken to, they are telling me that their bottom line is increasing because now they can stay on the road longer and they have less fear. There's still a fear, but there's less fear of criminals taking your car and doing whatever they want to do.
He adds that potential passengers with criminal intent are thinking twice before boarding taxis plying the Spanish Town route, for they fear they might be held in a joint police-military dragnet, a situation he deems a win-win for Spanish Town taxi operators.
So the operators have a greater incentive to pick up a fear on the road as opposed to before the SOE. So their bottom line has increased. That is what I'm hearing on the road. In the Spanish Town area, the Spanish Town to Portmore area.
Mr. Barton is urging security officials to ensure a solid plan is in place to protect transport operators and passengers in St. Catherine when the state of public emergency comes to an end. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.